If you're thinking about using DataJack eSIM for your international travels, here are 12 things you need to know before you buy. We'll break down everything so you can make an informed decision, especially when comparing it to other eSIM providers. First thing you should know is that DataJack offers a convenient alternative to physical SIM cards, letting you use data without swapping out your SIM. It's available in over 100 countries, which makes it appealing for frequent travelers. But compared to other services like Airalo, it might have a slightly smaller range in certain regions. The second thing to keep in mind is pricing. DataJack offers competitive rates, but it's important to check the data packages because they can differ based on your destination. Other providers like GigSky might offer more flexibility with their pricing tiers. However, DataJack does provide some affordable short-term options. Next thing is the ease of use. DataJack is designed to be user-friendly, with an intuitive app to manage your eSIM. But if you're a first-time eSIM user, you might find some competitors, like Airalo, having a more polished app with better customer support. The fourth thing is activation. DataJack claims activation within minutes, but depending on your location, it might take a little longer compared to other eSIM services that have a more streamlined process. It's not a deal breaker, but worth keeping in mind. The fifth thing you should know is the coverage. DataJack has solid coverage in most major travel destinations, but it doesn't always cover more remote or rural areas. If you plan on traveling off the beaten path, services like Airalo may give you more options in these regions. The sixth thing is the customer service. DataJack offers 24/7 support through their app and online. However, reviews suggest that response times can be slow at times. Competitors like GigSky are known for slightly faster responses and more helpful customer support. Now, the seventh thing is data speed. DataJack generally provides a decent internet speed, but it's important to note that it can sometimes be slower compared to other providers like TruePhone, depending on the location and network congestion. The eighth thing is the coverage duration. DataJack allows you to use your eSIM for up to 30 days, but if you plan on staying longer in a destination, you'll need to look at additional plans. Other services like Holofly offer unlimited data for 30 days, which might be more attractive for heavy users. The ninth thing to keep in mind is its compatibility. DataJack works on most eSIM-supported phones, but be sure to check your device's compatibility before purchasing. Some phones may not work with certain eSIMs, so it's always best to verify beforehand. Next thing is the flexibility. DataJack has a straightforward setup, but their data packages are a bit more rigid when compared to services like Airalo, which offer more customizability in their plans. So if you want more control over your data usage, you may want to consider alternatives. The 11th thing to note is the lack of extra features. While DataJack offers essential eSIM functionality, it doesn't provide any value-added services like voice calling or text messages, which some other providers like GigSky offer as part of their packages. If you need those features, you may want to explore other options. And the 12th thing to consider is the overall experience. DataJack is a good choice for travelers who need straightforward data services, but it doesn't have the bells and whistles that some other eSIM providers offer. If you're looking for a service that provides everything in one package, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. So, in conclusion, DataJack is a solid option for your international travel needs, but if you want something that covers all your bases, including extra features and more flexibility, make sure to check out our top recommendation. You can try it out at no cost, and it might just be the better choice for your next trip.